You probably remember 19th of September last year, right? The first time I started the history of typewriter manufacturing in Erfurt. 9 months and 11 days later, it's time to turn the last page. This is the Optima SP26, the second of the 3 electronic models in the series. The SP20 has no display and only direct typing. The SP26 has a small display and the ability to pre-write on it, and the SP28 has a larger display and probably some other options. This machine was actually my first electronic machine, and at the very beginning of my collection, when without having an idea how much I would get excited about it, I decided that I had to have an electronic typewriter, and I said to myself, what better idea than an Optima? Of course, my childhood memory of Elite 2 spoke for itself, but back then I didn't know how rare it is to find an electronic Optima, and how rare and valuable this one would turn out to be. Even though at first glance it seems absolutely unpretentious, even a little boring, with the appearance of just another piece of modern office equipment. It uses the already familiar discs like the Erika 3004, known for the electronic Triumph Adler, Olympia Carrera Deluxe, and the Bulgarian Bultex 20 and 40. But it lacks the clever ideas and electronic additions that the Erika 3004 has, such as only the electric input of the sheet of paper, the connector for computer, and the special laptop style keyboard. It is a comfortable typewriter, and I would like to spend more time on it again soon. Even though it does not have the qualities to grab me with its design, but not many manufacturers have turned their electronic machines into a wide range of designs, each with its own special charm, like Olivetti, right? I have 3 similar ones and I can't wait to present them to you, but that moment will come. I am happy for everyone who stayed with me in this huge story of the machines from Erfurt. And don't forget, on July the 1st at 6 PM Eastern European Time, the last big overview video about the typewriters from Erfurt. Have a nice week and see you again soon.